This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WSB-TV. We will continue to serve the Atlanta area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Atlanta area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use.
Good evening. I'm a representative of the President of the United States. I am here to inform you, the American citizens, that you are in grave danger. As you may have heard 30 minutes ago, 3 dirty bombs have been detonated in 3 of our most popular cities, being New York City, Los Angeles, and Chicago. And as close to 9 million people are dead. This will mean war, and we assure you that we have a good idea who the attacker may be, and they will pay for their actions. Therefore, the President has informed me to announce to all of you that everyone must seek a fallout shelter in the next most populated areas of the United States that is not affected with the destruction of New York, Los Angeles, and Chicago and the surrounding areas. There will be an all-call signal as soon as the situation has been dealt with. Thank you for your patience, and may God bless the United States of America.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. This is an emergency action notification. All radio and TV news broadcasts available may continue broadcasting as soon as the end of message sounds. The emergency action notification continues in the following locations: Chicago, Los Angeles, and New York City and the surrounding areas until further notice. All other stations must cease broadcasts immediately to broadcast updates to this alert as needed. Updates to this alert may be given within a 5-hour period. Have a battery-powered radio prepared for the event of power failure.